Alright, so I got this at the same place that I got the Corsair Sabre RGB Pro, which I just uploaded. Go check that out. I'm still in London, still my last day, but I'm recording this anyway. This didn't come in a box, but it does come with the plastic on the sides. You know what we're gonna do. This is the Razer Mamba, let's see, Mamba Tournament Edition, as you can see right here. This is, I'm assuming, somewhat old, because it still has the old Razer logo, as you can see right here. I don't really know that much about it. I saw this. This has obviously been through some stuff. If you look closely, you can see that there's been some wear on it. It's seen better days. I got this used for £25 at a local secondhand shop. I'll put that actual price on the screen right now, as well as right now I can put on the sensor. Then I can put on the dimensions. Alright, so I'll go ahead and give you guys a sound test. Alright, so this mouse feels pretty good. This is going to be the closest to an unboxing you're going to get. So let's plug this in and see what this looks like. Wow, those are bright, dude. So as you can see, there are lights on the Razer logo and on the side. These are very bright, even in real life. It obviously is going to blow it on camera. These lights are very nice. Let's see the tracking on this mouse. I was like, what's wrong? It just says really high DPI right now. That's really it. Short video, because again, there's not really much to do with this other than peel this stuff off. But this is the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.